Okay, I fibbed. Before I start on the upper arm on the driver's side, I'm going to get the brakes and all the crap apart over here on the passenger side. If you recall, Scotty and I discussing yesterday about the CV axle. This was replaced. It's the right one. I mean, it could use some longer bolts, but that's not a huge deal. Let's not sweat the little stuff right now. My question is, if you replace a CV axle, obviously because the boot blew out, shot loads of grease everywhere, wouldn't you clean up the fucking grease? I mean, I would. Like, that grease is getting on those rubbers, and that's going to make them go bad. And then same discussion, already touched on it in the inspection. But if you replace this, and you replace this, and you replace this, and you have all this crap apart, and you replace this, why don't you place this, and this, and this? I mean, I get it. It might not be completely horribly bad, but they are. But why would you do 3/4 of the job to basically not do a complete job? Because the time it takes to replace these, you could just pull this, do it all on the bench, put it back together. So basically, the customer, now the car's here, is basically double and a half paying for what? Partly to do stuff that should have been already done. But I'm rambling. I just get annoyed by seeing incomplete work and lazy work. So here we are. I'm going to get this caliper off, this rotor off. And we'll go from there.
What you doing, Bobby?
All right. Well, I got the caliper off. And, of course, this side's rusted on. So, I can tell nobody's ever done any service on that. Look at that caliper down there, dude. It's like even rusty in the piston. It's nasty. Yeah, I like how that was like, let's only service half of it. I've bitched about that enough, though. So I'm going to beat this off. Oh, now you get to watch me beat off. We watched Scotty beat off yesterday a bunch of times.
Ooh, baby.
Ooh, daddy. Yeah. Come on, bitch. Of course, there we go. Of course, it's got the little tabby too, but... Gotta work it out. Ooh. Just about there. Good Lord, that thing's on there.
All right. Round two.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Nice work, sir.
Yep.
We'll have the fronts to you in a bit.
Oh, the front too?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we got Victor and Antonio next door doing the press work for us because our press sucks compared to theirs. And, you know, we kind of share the wealth a little bit. We help out our friends because they help us. Anyway, that rotor ain't been off in forever. But guess what?
Yummy.
Boom. All right. So next thing, Mr. Burns here is going to begin disassembly. We're going to do the uppers first. So he's going to undo the nut on lower ball joint, get our nice new hoses, which is actually a nice piece that was put on previously, out of our way. He's going to pop the ball joint carefully because they are new. And he's going to work on getting the upper arms out. But he's going to have to undo the shock because the hardware is conveniently in the way. But other than that, it's going to be the usual dousey torchy.
Clean. Squunch.
Clean. Throw them in the rust goodies. And that's that.
All right.